What's up with the mob? This is Ivan and Chrissy from the MOB camp, making outstanding bullies. Coming at you guys with a new video. Check these guys out. Check these girls out. They're on 5 weeks. They're just at 5 weeks. It'll be 6 weeks like in 5 days. Look at them. Got all these females and one male. That's the male. You guys like, comment, and subscribe, man. Check it out. You guys show love, man. Show support. Comment. We'll comment back. Look at these girls. Look at these girls. Huh? These little gremlin kennel joker daughters and son to a MOB's chocolate. Check these girls out. I just bought this little play pin, exercise pin. They was getting out of the pool already, so look at the boy. Yeah, they was able to get out of the pool and they're just pooping outside the pool, so I just went to the Collier's Pet Feed and got this thing. It's pretty expensive, man. Probably got a better price on Amazon or something, but I didn't want to wait on the shipping and everything. So it still opens up more. I just don't need it any bigger right now. Check these girls out. Check them out. Check them out. Beautiful colors. This Brindle girl. Looking like a little tiger. Looking like a little tiger. Headpieces is on point. Look at the boy. Look at that boy. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here.